Oh my gosh, Shark, you are killing me. This is gosh to be the worst robot vacuum ever. Yes, folks, you know what? I just got a spot map of my Shark IQ. It only took me, what, 30 plus another 10 or so cleaning runs after I reset this guy. I had to take it apart because I got dust in the gearbox and the extractor motors. I've never had so much trouble with this guy, but you know what? I actually have it mapped and it's actually doing really good. You know why? Well, the Alexa works really well. I can tell it to clean a specific area just with my voice, and it's amazing. It actually is easier than using the Roomba. I'll go ahead and show you that in this video upcoming right now. Shark IQ, we are mapped. Woohoo! Okay, before we get to the good demonstration, I'm going to show you the map. It just gives you your map is complete, and we can go ahead and create your rooms. It gives you a nice little demonstration. You just press the little plus sign there, and you got this square that you can change the 4 little handles. Works great. I was able to size it to the rooms accordingly, but one problem I had is the area that gives me is way too big for my map. As you can clearly see on my iPhone, it looks very small. Look at this, guys. This map is about the size of my 2 fat thumbs, and trying to line up the little area to match my small rooms is kind of difficult. Alright, let's go ahead and see how this guy works. Alexa, tell Shark to clean the master bedroom.
What's the name of the robot you plan to start?
Shark.
Okay, your robot is headed to clean master bedroom.
Where you going there, Sharky? Look, a little lost there. My master bedroom is behind the camera here. You should try to go, yeah, that direction. Okay, so what's going on is the shark actually has to hit an obstacle. So it actually determines where its location is by basically bumping into an obstacle. As you can see, it went straight towards the glass pane and bumped into it. Did a 180 and now it's trying to get its bearings. Now you may think my Shark IQ's been having a little too much fun here, partying with the other robots, because it's just kind of hugging the left side of the wall here and kind of, you know, not really going in a straight line. But this is how the Shark navigates. It's not as good as the Roomba. Yes, they advertise it's like the Roomba, but the Roomba is more elegant, if I can even say that. Yes, I know Roombas aren't the best navigating compared to a Roborock, but if you compare the Roomba to a Shark, the Roomba actually does navigate really well compared to the Shark. But I guess if you just bounce around, you eventually get to the right room, and the Shark does get to my master bedroom. So I have nothing against the Shark or the company. I think they're doing the best since it's their first robot vacuum they incorporate with the navigation camera system. And you know, there's been some disputes with Roomba and Shark, but I'll let that with them. There's some legal battles, but you know, you can just Google that. But anyways, let's just focus on the Shark. I do like that it's a good robot vacuum, it's a good cleaner, and with some good software updates, I'm pretty sure Shark can make this guy a good navigator as well. But here we go. It actually went into my master bedroom, and I'll see if I can get Alexa to tell it to go home. So, my pain, your gain for your viewing pleasure. I finally got the Shark 2 map out for you guys. If you like this type of video, please smash the like button, because it was a lot of work to get this guy to map. I had this guy do 30, 40 cleaning runs. It was a crazy amount. Okay, Alexa, tell Shark to return to the dock.
Alright, your robot is on its way to the dock.
Okay, so here's the map site. You just launch up the map, and nothing really has changed except for when you launch the map tab, it does show the map. Sometimes it takes a minute to load. It's not the quickest app, but as you can see, I'm not able to zoom in. It's just kind of small on the lower right hand corner of the screen, but it works. And you can go ahead and select the little purple tab to select what room you want. It's kind of like what the Roombas do. Pretty simple interface. So I went ahead and just clicked the master bedroom, and the robot will go to the master bedroom. So I do like the fact that you can control the robot with the app, or you can control it with Alexa, very nice feature, very similar to what the Roombas have, but I will say that the Roomba is a little more refined in terms of navigation and app stability. So you guys have a great rest of your day. You guys be safe out there. I'll see you guys next time, and I'll probably do some hair challenges, maybe some powder tests. I gotta find some good materials. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. See you later.